In the previous video, I mentioned the universe and frequency and vibration. I want y'all to understand also about universal laws. Universal laws are laws that are internal within us, like don't smack a baby. A baby can't run behind you as fast as you, and just things that we automatically know. And recently, in recent times, we've been ignoring universal laws and ruining the frequency on the planet. And when the frequency gets ruined or is lacking in any type of way, the universe does things to fix it, regardless of if it has to be human beings dying, because the universe doesn't recognize death. It recognizes energy. So if you're vibrating on a low frequency, the universe is going to respond. The planet is vibrating on a low frequency, and the universe is responding. It's doing a cleanup. So what y'all have to do is be very mindful of the energy that you participate in, because you can get caught up in that whirlwind of energy, and the universe is going to do what it has to do. It's going to allow what it's going to allow, because you don't have that spiritual armor of protection on you, because the universe is not recognizing you on a high frequency. It's recognizing you on a low frequency. So you see all these brothers dying because they're trapped in this energy, and there's really no way to avoid it, because it's part of universal law. It's part of what the universe does. Like it has the rain, like it has the snow, like it gets cold in someone's, like it gets hot in someone's. They don't explain this to people. They release these low frequency waves. It was called electronic low frequency, through microwaves, through all types of technological and technological uh, uh, what am I trying to say here? Through all means of technology, they release these electronic low frequency waves. Look it up, ELF. That's what it's called. So, family, you have to educate yourselves about energy, low frequencies, vibrations, and our connection to the universe, because it plays a big part in your life right now. Whether you know it or not, understand it, believe it exists, you have to be careful about the energy you put out to the universe, because it's like a magnet or a boomerang. Whatever you throw out is going to come back to you, regardless of the good you put in. If you spend time in that negative frequency, you're going to get trapped in it, and the universe is going to recognize you as a low frequency threat to the planet. And eventually, things are going to catch up to you, and it's going to wipe you out some type of way. Something's going to happen. It's even, karma is even 10 times worse now since December 21st, and the planets aligned. So spiritually, everything is moving faster now, because the planet has to move up to a higher vibration, because too much is going on, and there's too many people operating and functioning on low frequency levels. They have to make us malleable for stuff before they do it, which means they have to have us prepared or bring us to a certain level so that they can attack us. And that's what they do. I'm going to give you an example. Before COVID hit, Kobe was taken out. Why? Because we had to be on an emotional level to be malleable enough for this virus to attack us. Because if we wasn't feeling so low on emotional vibration all at the same time, it wouldn't have worked. And y'all notice, y'all probably say this is bullshit, but it's not bullshit. Because I did the numbers on it and it matches up. So please be mindful of what you're doing and what you participate in. And even people saying BDK, GDK, and all this, you bringing bad energy to yourselves. Understand the frequency, understand frequency, energy, and vibration. Because that is the main thing we're dealing with right now in these days and times. Peace and love.